a cupcake with me. I mean, get a cupcake with me. Okay. Just wait. We don't do this too. But now we're going to. So let's get a cupcake. Okay, but like. You need to hear this clicking sound. Ugh. Can't get this right. Okay. Let's move this out of the way. Okay. So I'm just going to sit down in this chair. Okay, you guys know this box has cupcakes in it. We're gonna eat it today. So this click though. When you click it on, it's just amazing. Like it's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay, do you guys see anyone? Okay. Look at these cupcakes. We have vanilla. Should I eat vanilla or should I eat chocolate? Which one? I want to go with I don't know. I haven't been really getting in trouble if I eat two, so I'm not going to. I'm gonna go ahead and try this chocolate. Then I'm gonna eat chocolate. That tastes really good. Okay. I think I'll eat chocolate. I always eat chocolate. Like, chocolate is so good. Okay. I really want to tell, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna get in trouble, so like, I'm not gonna get that one. Move that out of the way. Got a cupcake. And we're gonna go ahead, put it on our plate. We have a yellow plate right there. Plate. Voila! My cupcake is ready. Should I get some gum with it? I don't know. Should I? Should I not? Oh, I have the perfect topping. This little candy wolf smile, but I can't get it. I can't do that. I can't eat it, so you can't really eat it, but like it's a decoration. Yes, get it. That was a total failure. I just messed up my cupcake for nothing. For nothing. That's not dog doo-doo. Okay, like, I have seriously no idea why I just did that. Okay. Everyone's ready to eat the cupcake. That's good. I'm gonna have to make a part 2. Bye.